Welcome to our channel. Starting a small business can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we'll take you through the process of starting a successful small business step by step. Whether you're a first-time entrepreneur or an experienced business owner, this guide will help you navigate the journey to success. Step 1. Develop a business idea. The first step in starting a small business is to develop a business idea. This could be something you're passionate about or something you've always wanted to do. It's important to choose an idea that you're excited about and that has a potential market. Take your time to research and validate your idea before moving on to the next step. Step 2. Conduct market research. Before you start your business, it's crucial to conduct market research. This will help you understand your target market, your competitors, and the demand for your product or service. By gathering this information, you can make informed decisions about your business, such as pricing, marketing, and location. Step 3. Develop a business plan. A business plan is a document that outlines your business goals, strategies, and financial projections. It's essential for obtaining funding and for keeping your business on track. A business plan should include details such as your target market, marketing strategies, financial projections, and organizational structure. Step 4. Obtain funding. Starting a small business requires funding. You may choose to use your own savings, or you may need to seek out funding from a bank or investor. Be prepared to present your business plan and financial projections when seeking funding. Additionally, it's important to consider other funding options such as crowdfunding, angel investors, or grants. Step 5. Create a brand and website. Creating a strong brand and website is essential for any small business. Your brand is the visual representation of your business and it's what sets you apart from your competitors. A strong brand will help you attract and retain customers. Your website should be professional, easy to navigate, and should provide all the necessary information about your business. Step 6. Get your business legal. Before you start operating, it's important to get your business legal. This includes obtaining any necessary licenses and permits, as well as registering your business name and structure. It's also important to consider getting liability insurance to protect your business from potential legal issues. Step 7. Set up your business operations. Now that your business is legal and funded, it's time to set up your operations. This includes finding a physical location, setting up a bookkeeping system, and hiring any necessary employees. It's important to have a clear understanding of your operational needs before making any major investments. Step 8. Marketing and promotion. Marketing and promotion is an essential step in starting a successful small business. This includes developing a marketing strategy, creating promotional materials, and utilizing various channels such as social media, email marketing, and advertising. It's important to identify your target audience and tailor your marketing efforts to reach them effectively. Step 9. Stay organized and track progress. Running a small business can be overwhelming. It's important to stay organized and track progress. This includes setting goals, creating a schedule, and keeping accurate records of your finances, sales, and customer data. Keeping track of progress will help you identify areas that need improvement and make adjustments accordingly. Step 10. Keep learning and adapting. Starting and running a small business is a learning process. It's important to keep learning and adapting to changes in the market. Stay current with industry trends, and be open to new ideas and feedback from your customers. Continuously improving your business will help you stay ahead of the competition and maintain long-term success. Thanks for watching. Starting a small business is a journey, but by following these steps and having a clear plan in place, you'll be on your way to success. Remember to take it one step at a time and don't be afraid to ask for help. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more small business tips and advice.